Hi there, my name is David Lewis. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon in Wales. I've been a consultant for about 20 years and I've been helping doing and running the ESVS Academy workshop for about 5 years now.
And what workshops do you organise?
I run the academic and scientific pathway, and that's beginning to evolve from academic and scientific to include professional development as well.
Okay, and so what can we expect from the academic pathway this year?
Well, at the annual meeting we've got about 6 or 7 workshops. We've got a lot of workshops that concentrate on helping trainees to pass the FEBVS exam. So we've got an overview of the exam, 2 sessions of clinical viva practice. We've got a session on the academic station, which is always the station that the trainees find most frightening. And we've got statistics workshops, how to write a meta-analysis and how to write and review a paper. Lots of variety, a lot of it concentrated on the exam.
And can you tell us a bit more about the clinical viva shows? How does that work?
Yeah, so we attracted a really enthusiastic and good faculty from all over Europe, and the sessions are really quite long. They go on for about 4, maybe 4.5 or 5 hours, with breaks and with a break in the middle. But they cover the main topics as per the vascular curriculum. So we've got parotid and upper limb, aortic and mesenteric, venous, lower limb, and acute lower limb ischemia.
And so for the trainees who want to pass the exam, is it sufficient to just one of those workshops that you mentioned, or should they do them all?
My advice, obviously, and with no conflict of interest, would be to sign up for all of those exam-orientated workshops. In previous years, going back 3 or 4 years, they went as an all-day event, and trainees would stay with the faculty all day, walking through the various stages of the exams. It's evolved over the years, but I do think that, yes, it comes as a package. And also we know from serial analysis of candidates that have done the courses compared to candidates that don't do the course, the pass rate in the exam is substantially higher.
Okay, so it's wise to do the courses then?
It seems like that. The evidence would suggest that.
Yeah. Okay, and David, lastly, what is your favourite part personally during the annual meeting?
I have to say it's the meeting people. I've got a really enthusiastic and diverse faculty, but at the same time the trainees that come along, they're all different. They're different every year. They've all got different questions, different hopes and ambitions, and different, not problems, but things they want help with. So the variety of meeting people and helping them is the most attractive thing. Hi there, my name is David Lewis. I do hope I can see you all at the ESVS annual meeting in Belfast this year, and hope you'll be able to attend the academic and scientific workshop. Thank you.